Hello, it's High-Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Portable Washing Machines. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Eastdoll Portable Washing Machine. This mini washer updated with internal structure, which is more powerful and provide longer service life than the first generation of mini washer. Number 4. COMFEE Portable Washing Machine. With only 20.7 inch in width, 20.3 inch in depth and 36.6 inch in height, this compact washer is able to be stored easily. This washing machine equips with high quality and durable motor, providing stable power, saving as much as 84% energy consumption comparing to similar models. This washing machine is able to save money for your household. Number 3. Deco Home Portable Washing Machine. With a compact and lightweight design, the Deco Home Portable 250-watt washing machine makes doing laundry in your small space possible. Perfect for apartment, dorm rooms, bathrooms, and RVs. This mini washing machine can save trips to the laundromat. Number 2. Auertech Portable Washing Machine. Auertech Portable Mini Washer has 2 separate tubs, washing tub and spin tub, allowing you to wash and dry clothes at the same time. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to fit in bathrooms or closets. Number 1. Costway Portable Washing Machine. This portable mini washing machine allows you to wash and spin clothes at the same time. It takes up little space in your room, making it perfect for apartment, dormitories, balconies, RVs and more.